Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking Channel. Today we're making pizza dough. This is a recipe from our wonderful darling daughter Rhea. She makes it all the time and swears by this recipe. So we're going to do that. And what I want to do is make extra dough to put in the freezer. You can freeze the pizza dough for at least 2 months. And if you want, you can also make up the pizza itself and freeze it. I'm not gonna do that. We're just gonna make the balls, wrap them with cellophane, and put them in a container for our freezer prep. We like doing that, and that way, when in those hard times, you'll always have something to fall back on. All right, let's get started. So, we're going to start making our pizza dough for the freezer. And what we need to do is dissolve a tablespoon of yeast into a cup of warm water with also with a tablespoon of sugar. Sugar activates yeast, brings it alive. So we're gonna start with that, and we gotta let that sit for about 5 minutes. And let's get started. Our water is warm and ready. So we wanna put our yeast and our sugar. Stir this really good. And we're going to set it aside for 5 minutes. And in 5 minutes, it should be frothy. Our yeast has really risen. So we're gonna put it in here. It's definitely alive, that's for sure. And then we'll add our olive oil. And let's go ahead and put our salt in. Our flour. I'm going to add just 2 cups, and I've got 2 batches in here, so I'm going to add 4 cups of the flour, and then the last cup I'll just add it a little at a time till it works it in. Okay, I'm going to turn that up just a little. Okay, here is our pizza dough balls. We're going to cut this in half because I did 2 recipes. So, I'm not going to let these rise. They're still kind of sticky. So I think we're going to add a little more flour. Just knead it a little bit till it's not as sticky. Here's our first pizza dough ball. So here are our pizza dough balls. Okay friends, well thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the video and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.